In this video, I will be reviewing this GSOU Full HD webcam. What differentiates this webcam from other webcams is that it has Bluetooth capabilities. The specifications are, it is a Full HD webcam with 30 frames per second, and also it has a built-in microphone. So I'm gonna test, of course, the video quality of the webcam, and I'm gonna test the built-in microphone quality, and of course I'm gonna also pair it with my Bluetooth headset and see how it works with this Bluetooth headset. So let's start first by unboxing it. So the package is nice. It looks like a quality package. Let me open it. You have the user manual, and this is the webcam. So this is the webcam. It has a privacy cover here. It is also a manual focus webcam, so you have to manually focus it here. And these are the controls of the webcams. So if you put it here, this button, this is to enable the internal microphone. At the middle, it turns off the microphone completely, the internal one, and it turns off the Bluetooth. And all the way here to the left, it enables Bluetooth. And this is a pairing button here. It feels really well made. On the base of the webcam, you can here put it in a tripod, and it goes like this on your computer screen. The cable is of pretty good length also. It is a 5 feet cable, so you can also connect the webcam to your desktop even if it is far. So let me connect it now to the desktop and see how it performs. So here's the webcam installed and connected. So now I'm using Windows camera application to record this video clip, and as you see, like the camera quality, the webcam quality is really good. I have a light to my left and I have a light to my right, and I have like a small natural light also to my left, and I see that the angle is very good. It's not distorted, I mean here at the borders. And I hope that the sound is good also. I'm using the sound, the built-in microphone now of this camera. I'm gonna show you a small comparison with the Xiaomi webcam that I have so that you can see the difference in the video. So now I switched to the Xiaomi webcam, and as you see, the angle is a little bit like narrower, and you have some small distortion here on the borders of the image, but the image is good in my opinion also, but I prefer frankly the GSOU W20 webcam. So now let me switch back to the GSOU W20 webcam. So now I switched back to the GSOU webcam, and I'm still using the internal microphones of the GSOU webcam. I'm gonna switch now to my Wi-Fi microphone just to show you the difference in the sound quality. So now I switched to my Wi-Fi microphone, which is of course much better than the internal microphone of the webcam. But nevertheless, I can tell you that the internal microphone of the webcam is good, is really good, and it allows you, if you don't have an external microphone, to have a good conference call, like with good voice and good audio with the internal microphone. So now I'm putting the camera in pairing mode. And you see maybe this little blue light blinking. I hope you can see it. And I'm gonna turn on my VenQ headset. So now it is connected to the webcam. I just turned it on and it was in pairing mode and it connected. So now I'm gonna switch back to Windows camera application and try this on Windows. So now I'm using the Bluetooth capabilities of the webcam, and I connected my VenQ headset, and I hope you can hear me good with it. So the VenQ is a very good headset, and the webcam is paired completely with it. So now at the end, I'm gonna tell you my opinion on this webcam. I really liked it, especially I like the fact that it works good in low light. So here there is not like too much light in the room where I am recording now. And it also doesn't have any distortion on the extremities here of the recording extremities, which is very good. It has a wide angle, it has a very good video quality, and it has Bluetooth capabilities also. Although with the Bluetooth, the sound wasn't like very good, but nevertheless, you can use it. And also it has a privacy cover, and what I like most, like on top of the privacy cover, it has a microphone off button, which like 100% lets you be sure that you have your privacy intact. So that was my review of the GSOU W20 webcam. And at the end, I say that I highly recommend this webcam. It's a little bit more pricier than other webcams, but this is understandable because it has Bluetooth capabilities and it has really a good video quality and audio quality. So I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time.